What's up, guys? Welcome back to ChriSamz Property YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me, but nevertheless, I'm still here putting in the work as best as I can. Alright? Thank you guys for still supporting the channel. And we're here today at Hellshire View just to give you guys a quick look of what is going on here at this development. I've seen the comments and a lot of persons have been reaching out to us asking us for an update at this location. So we're here today to give you just that. It's a bit windy, as you can see. We're going to fly above this development, show you guys exactly what is going on and how the progress has been taking place. And you can leave your comments down below. Remember to like this video, remember to share, alright? And if you are new to the channel, if you are seeing us for the first time, and if you have seen us before but you have not yet done so, please remember to subscribe, as we are still trying to grow. So guys, I'm going to jump right into this drone shot and to give you guys your own view of Hellshire View. Alright, so guess what? I'll catch you on the other side of this drone video. guys, so there you have it. Another quick update at another property. Another quick one at Hellshire View. I hope you guys will appreciate the updates in this video. I cannot tell you any deadlines. I can't tell you any more phases that are coming at the moment. But you are seeing exactly what is going on. As you can see, the roof work is now starting on one unit. I'm not sure if that is going to be the model unit, but nevertheless, if it is, I will definitely let you guys know when that information is out. So for now, continue to enjoy our content. We'll try our best to improve and to increase. So as best as we can, we will give you these updates. So thank you guys so much for making it ChriSamz one more time for your property tours and for your update. And we will continue to give you the updates as they are available. So bless upon yourself, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Thank you all so much for the support. Like, share, subscribe, and leave your comment. Peace out from ChriSamz and from Hellshire View.